I'm Claire Bottomley. I'm the Sherman 5 co-ordinator. I've been here 2 years, and we're very much aware through Sherman 5 that some people might not feel comfortable about visiting the theatre, and that might be because of the price of ticketing or that they feel there's a certain dress code. In the past, we've provided training on dementia awareness, visual impairment awareness, hearing impairment awareness, and the whole reason that Sherman 5 is here is to break down those barriers and to support people so that they feel completely at ease and totally welcome. We're really looking forward to opening the building again. We really want to welcome our volunteers back, and obviously we'll be providing training to them just to get them used to the building again. We've got one-way systems, we've got health and safety systems, so there'll be refresher training. But if anybody would like to start with us and start anew and explore everything that we have to offer, then have a look at the Sherman website. There's a section there on Sherman 5, and my contact details are up there. And I'm Claire Bottomley, the Sherman 5 coordinator.